All right, now on to sky cover or cloud cover. This is indicated in the center of a weather station model, right in that circle. And cloud cover is indicated by how much of the sky is covered with clouds, and we work in eighths in terms of cloud cover. And so if we start off with a weather station model and there's nothing in there, this would be an indication of clear skies. I think that one's pretty obvious to everybody. Let's see. If 1/8 of the sky is reportedly covered by clouds, then basically you make a number 1 kind of sort of in here. So that's 1/8 cloud cover. If you have 2/8, and you don't even have to reduce the fraction, but this would be 1/4 of the sky is covered, so it would be 2/8 cloud cover. Let's see, 3/8 cloud cover, and so there you've got 1/4 of the sky covered, and then you add a little bit more with a little, just continue that line down, and that represents 3/8 cloud cover. 4/8 is 1/2, so I think you can guess what that's going to look like. Okay, so half of the circle is filled in. There's 4/8 cloud cover. 5/8 would be, let's fill in half of the circle like we did before. And now we're going to extend a line out towards like 9 o'clock. And so that's going to represent 5/8 cloud cover. 6/8, 3/4. Again, you can probably guess what that's going to look like. 3/4 of the circle is going to be filled in. And that'll represent 6/8 cloud cover. And 7/8 will be pretty much the same as 1/8, only it's going to be kind of the negative inverse image of that. So we got that kind of number 1 in the middle there, but we're going to leave that blank and we're going to fill in everything else around it. And that'll represent 7/8 cloud cover. Okay. And completely cloudy, 8/8 will be the whole circle filled in. So 8/8 cloud cover. So this is completely cloudy, also known as overcast. Okay. And so that covers all of them except for one. And that's kind of a special case. So there will be some instances. So if you're a weather observer and you go out and you observe the sky, there will be a couple of instances in which you can't see the sky. And I'm not talking about nighttime. I am talking about daytime. And so if you can't see the sky, then you put an X in the middle of the weather station model. And this is for obscured skies. And what would obscure the sky? Two common things would be fog. So if it's foggy outside, you can't see the sky. And so you can't report on cloud cover because you can't see the sky. And so as a result, you'd put an X in the weather station model. Another instance in which you might not be able to see the sky is when it's when it just snows, a light snow, the dry snow, and then the wind picks up and it's blowing that snow all over the place. So blowing snow would be another instance where you might not be able to see the sky, and then you'd have to report an obscured sky, which would be, again, an X in the middle of the weather station model. All right, so that covers sky cover and cloud cover. And next we will take a look at atmospheric pressure.